Go.
What are we gonna do first?
Sink or float.
We're gonna do sink or float. Did you have all the items that you wanted to do?
Yeah.
All right, let's see them.
Ready?
All right, what's in the bucket?
Cars.
All right, let's see if they sink or float. One at a time. One at a time. Let's see. See if the car floats. Whoa, the car sank.
And then the other one. This. The car sink.
The car sank.
Now for the first one. Wait.
The last car, let's see if it sinks or floats. Oh, it sunk. All right, what else do you have?
The boat. I have the boat. Now let's see.
Do you think that the boat is gonna sink or float?
Float.
It's gonna float? Okay, let's see.
Float.
Oh, the boat floats.
Float. Now we don't have no more.
What is it you found?
A dump truck.
A dump truck? Do you think the dump truck is gonna sink or float?
Float.
Floats? Okay, let's see. Whoa! Uh-oh! Look at it. What is he doing?
He's floating.
He's sinking.
Yeah, I know, but
He's floating and sinking. What? Let's try it again. Let's try it again.
The thing is sinking. Now what's other thing?
He's floating. Raymond got some other cool. Show us other cool toys. What other toys you got?
These airplanes and dump trucks.
All right, let's try out the airplane. Do you think the airplane's gonna sink or float?
Float. Float. Now what's
He's floating or he's sinking? Let's see. He's floating. He's floating, guys. All right, what do you have in your hands?
This dump truck.
Dump truck. Do you think it's gonna sink or float? It's gonna sink? Okay, let's try it out.
Float.
He floats.
This can go in there.
Oh, what's that?
This is
Is that gonna sink or float? What is that?
the sink.
It's gonna sink. It's a microphone. Let's see.
Float.
He floats.
Here, can I jump it out? Okay. Down the bottom. Okay, now it's clean.
It's clean?
Yeah.
Whoa, what kind of car is that?
A Porsche.
Is that a Porsche? Let me see the bottom on this side. It is a Porsche. Good. What about the other one?
The one is the
Don't fall in the bucket.
the broken Porsche.
That's another Porsche. How nice.
There's a broken Porsche here
It's broken? Why is it broken?
because it's broken for my car. Okay, so let's see the other cars what to do.
Which one's that one?
Blue.
What kind of blue car is that? Let's see.
Get out.
Can you turn it around? That's a... What is it? Pagani?
Pagani, yes.
Pagani. Cool.
Okay, now I have it after the plane.
All that water out. It's full of water inside. Let's dump it out.
No, follow. This is a dump truck.
A dump truck.
And what else? We have a dump truck.
Whoa, that's full of water. Tip it over. Maybe the water will fall out. It's super heavy.
No more water in it. Now, Elsa the boat can sink. Boat.
Yes, and the water goes inside of the boat, it can sink.
It will
But see,
sink.
the boat is floating. That means it's less dense than water. There's more air in the boat than water.
It can go super, super fast.
It can?
Yeah.
Whoa, let's see that again. Ooh, that's cool.
Oh, my head. Let's try again. Sing, float, sing, float, go, sing. Oh no, sinking, sink.
Oh, there's water inside. That's why it's sinking.
It's also making bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
And go back up.